One of the dreaded things to talk about when it comes to a pool is chemistry. And ultimately, what do we test? What are we looking for? Basically, there's two different ways to test chemistry. That'd be test strips, which were commonly available on a homeowner's perspective. And ultimately, you have a strip that you dip in the water and you line up the colors. This is very easy and quick. However, a lot of times it's not as accurate as a drop system. A drop system is just that, it uses a series of drops, and even though it's a little bit slower and more time consuming, it does come up with a much more accurate measurement. The chemistry items that we test on a regular basis is chlorine, pH, alkalinity, cyanuric acid, and if you have a salt pool, you'd want to check the salt level of your pool.